In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Miro board with guests. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite people outside your team, choose the right permissions, and share your board quickly and securely. Start by opening Miro and heading to your board's view. This is the dashboard where all your boards live. Find the board you want to share, then look for the options menu next to it, usually shown as 3 dots. Open that menu and choose Share. This brings up the sharing panel where all the inviting and permission controls live. In the sharing panel, type your guest's information. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Double check spelling here because the invite will go exactly where you point it. If you're inviting multiple guests, separate them and make sure each one is correct to avoid missed invites. If you prefer pulling contacts from tools you already use, click Invite From. Then choose Microsoft, Slack, or Google. This lets you tap into your existing contact lists and collaboration tools so you don't have to copy and paste addresses. You may be prompted to connect your account if you haven't already, and once connected, it streamlines sending to the right people. When your guest list looks good, click Send Invitations. This sends an email from Miro with access to the board based on the permissions you set. If you need a faster handoff, you can also just copy the link and send it directly through your own channel like chat or email. Remember that the link behaves according to the permission you assign next, so set that first to avoid giving more access than intended. Before or after sending, choose the right level of access for guests. Select Can View if you only want people to look at the board without making changes. This is ideal for reviews, read-only stakeholders, or when you're sharing a snapshot of progress. Choose Can Comment when you want feedback through comments and sticky notes, but still want to protect the layout and content from edits. Pick Can Edit if collaborators need to move objects, add content, or co-create in real time. Use this for teammates or partners who are actively building with you. Finally, choose No Access to remove a guest's access or to make sure someone can't open the board anymore. You can adjust these choices at any time as needs change. That's it. You've shared your Miro board with guests, sent invites, and set the right permissions to keep your work secure and collaborative.